Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have two blind boxes from Loungefly at Hot Topic, and these are the Bambi ones that you could get. So I'm not really a big fan of Bambi, but I might use these as traders, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then I also got these two at a antique store, so hopefully you guys could see that. So I got that, and I got this really cool sticker. Like, I had to get that because, you know, that's classic right there. And then I got this Z pen for Zoe and another person, but I can't say that person's name right now because they might be watching this video, so I'm not going to say that. And then I might give this to the person I just said for their birthday that's coming up pretty soon. And it's a spin pen. Oh, sorry. I'm shaking, you guys. Sorry about that. And it's like that. So that's really cool. So that's really nice. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on Goofy. So other than that, let's just, you know, open our pens and say goodnight. And before I get started, I also got my girl Britney Spears because I love her so much. She's my girl, and I relate to her. So, and then in the mail, I got some headbands for my Disney ears. So I might make a couple DIYs in the future. So stay tuned for that. And I'm filming this video in June. I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but it could be out in August too. I don't know. We'll see. So it's like a video into the future. Alright. So the pen that I'm hoping to get, okay, I like the Thumper one right there, and then that one down there with Bambi and Thumper, and then my other choice would be Bambi and Thumper, like on some kind of ice thing, which is that one. So we'll see. I collect a lot of Disney pins, which you could tell. So yeah. Alright. So first pen, you guys will get the refill first before I do. So hopefully it's the one I want, but if it's not, that's okay. And it's probably going to be upside down. So if it's upside down, sorry. Alright. Yeah, it was upside down, I knew it. So that is flower. That's a nice pen and all, but not my favorite one. That's okay. We still have another chance. Alright. And you could trade these Loungefly pens with all the other Disney pens at the parks and with other people. So, and as long as it says copyright Disney on the back, that's all you need. Okay. Come on. I don't want a double. I don't want a double. Alright. So we got... It's gonna be upside down probably. Alright. So hopefully it's something I want. Alright. Oh! Well, I did say I want a Thumper. So that's good. It's an okay opening. I give it a 2. So if you like that video, you all know what to do with the subscribe and the bell notification and, you know, the thumbs up. And if you want to leave a comment what you want to see next here, let me know. And otherwise, see you guys next time. Bye.